Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting sounds w and r. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the w sound in the word wait, wait, wait. Now the r sound in the word rate, rate, rate. Now I will use them both in a sentence. I will wait to hear the rate. I will wait to hear the rate. I will wait to hear the rate. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!